Hello everyone, welcome to Xeon AI. In this video, we are going to go through the demo of our question answering solution known as DeepDelve. Now, one of the major challenges which enterprises face today is trying to extract the exact and precise piece of information from a very large repository of documents. This is not only manual and cumbersome, but also has very high probability of errors and mistakes creeping in. DeepDelve solves this problem in a very easy and intuitive manner, leveraging state-of-the-art NLP models and AI techniques. We'll come to that in a bit. Now, this instance that we are showcasing over here is for demonstration purpose only. The enterprise edition of the DeepDelve application can be customized based on your company's needs. Now, to get started, we come to this login page over here. If you are a first-time user, you need to go to the register page. Here, once you fill up this information or the registration form and click on the submit button, a verification link along with an OTP is sent to the email mentioned over here. Once you submit the OTP, you're all set. Now, since I already have an existing user ID, I will use that to log in. Once we log in, this is the page we land upon. As you can see, there are primarily three sections over here. First is the document section, followed by the index section, and last but not the least, the most exciting part, the search section. In the document section, to upload the documents, it is a fairly easy process. You click on the choose files option. Then you can upload any of the existing documents which you could have in your local machine. Now, once I upload these documents, it gives a message that file has been uploaded successfully. One thing to note over here is that in case I want to delete any of the existing documents, I can also use this particular option. Now, once the upload of documents is done, I need to go to the next section, which is the index section. Once we click on the update new index, the indexing of the currently uploaded documents starts. Now, indexing is one of the primary cornerstones for the search engine or the search operation to work upon. So as we see, the document indexing is done. Once we click on the next option, it takes us to the search page. Now, if we were to put a search query like who is the CEO designate at HDFC. Now, once I click on the search icon, it tries to search for the answer, and there you go. We have got the correct answer, Sashidhar Jagdishan. Beneath the correct answer that we have got over here, we also get to see the context or the paragraph from which this answer has been retrieved. Also, it gives us the exact document from which this answer has been extracted. One more thing to note over here is the relevance score. The relevance score is an indication of the confidence that the search operation or the search engine has on the answer that it has retrieved. So in this case, the top answer being Sashidhar Jagdishan, it has got the highest relevance score compared to the subsequent answers over here. Let's try one more question. Suppose we want to understand what are the factors on which gratuity depends. If we click on the search icon, there you go. Again, it has given us the exact answer that we were looking for. Last drawn salary and years of service, along with the context and the relevance score. Fairly easy and intuitive, right? Yet so powerful and so helpful. Great. There you have your own custom Google, which you can use for searching through a heap of documents. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.